The joys of camping have not been lost on the Mr. Men and Little Misses of Dillydale. They relish the clean, fresh air of the forest, the warm glow of a comforting campfire shared with friends, the joy of seeing wildlife in its natural habitat. To most, a camping trip is a recipe for fun.
Camping seems so dangerous. Animals, trees, air. Why, I've heard of owls big enough to snack upon a man of medium build, such as myself. Don't eat me!
Come on, Mr. Nervous. Are we going camping or what?
Oh, sure. Really looking forward to it. Huh? No! Not again!
I knew I should have taken the bus.
This instant tent doesn't look so instant.
Want me to read the instructions, Mr. Stubborn?
Oh, please. I can put together a tent. It's so simple a child could do it.
Maybe I should read the instructions. Congratulations on your purchase of an instant tent,
Yes, skip that part.
a product of the Instant Everything Company,
Okay, move on.
makers of the instant bed, instant chair, instant house,
Skip down.
instant car, instant grandmother.
Get to the directions.
Directions.
Finally.
Printed in Malaysia.
What did I tell you? So simple a child could do it.
Whoa!
This tent is definitely cheap.
This should be the perfect spot to catch a glimpse of the rarest bird on the continent, the horn-thrusted red spangler.
Oh, Mr. Persnickety, I'm so happy you allowed me to join you on this little expedition. I love bird watching and the outdoors. I also love chocolate cake. If trees were made out of chocolate cake, imagine how happy I'd be then. I love pillows, too, and pencil erasers.
Miss Chatterbox, please. I must prepare my observation equipment. The horn-thrusted red spangler appears only once every 100 years. It is very sensitive to noise, so we must be quiet.
Absolutely understood. Say no more. I hear and I obey. You say jump, I say how high.
We must be quiet now.
Yes, quiet, now. No time like the present. Don't put off till yesterday what you can do tomorrow. Or is it tomorrow what you did yesterday?
Miss Chatterbox, you mustn't talk or you'll frighten the bird.
Oh, I mustn't do that. Be kind to animals, that's what I say. And I mean all animals, even rats. Do you like rats, Mr. Persnickety? I saw one once as big as a bulldozer.
Miss Chatterbox, for the last time, please be quiet. If you want to speak, don't. Let nothing come out of your mouth that so much as resembles a word.
You want me to be quiet?
Exactly.
Mr. Persnickety, there's a bird! Shh! But it's the rat!
Double shh. My anticipation knows no bounds.
Oh, Mr. Persnickety, you missed it!
Missed what?
The horn-crested red spangler!
Where?
It was on your head. I tried to tell you, but you said shh, and then you said double shh.
No! Oh, what's this?
Oh, it laid an egg on your head. Didn't I mention that? Boy, I bet that was a rare egg. Not like your basic scrambled eggs. No, you won't see an egg like that again for a while, I bet.
Birds. Man can't think with all that squawking. Hey! Go nibble your own nuts. I don't know who invented camping, but I'd like to give him a piece of my mind. All right, that's the last straw. Literally.
Rocket cucumbers!
I don't think that was an accident. And neither was that.
No offense, Miss Whoops, but this rafting trip is pretty dull.
Seems fine to me. Nice and slow.
Mr. Devil is right. This is a bore, a real snooze fest. I have had more fun watching paint dry.
We get the point, Mr. Rude.
Don't worry, Mr. Bump. Things will pick up a bit once we round the bend.
I can hardly wait.
Woohoo!
Too fast! Too fast!
Hey, we are going down the Rhone River.
Whoops!
Let's turn back now while we have the chance!
I thought you said you were a trained professional.
Find a rock and cling to it. We'll be back to get you.
Now this is a good time! Woohoo!
Paddle backwards! Paddle backwards!
Abandon ship.
Abandoned to where? Oh, poopity poop.
What's that noise? What's that sound? There's not supposed to be another Mr. Ben hanging around. There's no denying you're in a pickle. There's a camper here who's going to give a little tickle. Tickling high, tickling low. He's going to get you wherever you go. Don't try to run or try to lay low. He's going to get you wherever you go. He's a tickling woodland menace. Go! He'll get you in the tent, he'll get you in the lake. No matter where you hide, he won't give you a break. You may as well give up and get ready to giggle, cause there's a camper here who's going to give a little tickle. Tickling high, tickling low. He's going to get you wherever you go. Don't try to run or try to lay low. He's going to get you wherever you go. Tickling high, tickling low. He's going to get you wherever you go. What? Again? What? Oh, no, no, no. Oh, yeah. Oh, goodness.
All good things must come to an end, and so it is true of camping trips. It's been another dilly of a time in the Dillydale woods. With all that fresh air and fun, it's a weekend few will soon forget.